Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to embed image. So if you want to embed image, you can use the image tag. You can type EMG, press enter. Now for source in it, you can set for the image address. Like I will use image from the computer. I will use this image. You can copy for the address into the source. And the next, you can copy for the image name. Okay, after it for alt, this is for the description. So we'll set into cat. And you can click file, save. Now you can open to your browser. That we show for the image into your browser. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to embed image.